Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to find your best face angles, and this will be an easy tutorial. Once again, for the very last time, the title of this video and the topic of this video is the following. I will specifically be showing you and telling you how to find your best face angles, and this will be an easy tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you want to find your best face angles, this is the video for you. It's very, very simple. Now I'm going to start this video by saying this. I truly believe that every angle is going to be your best face angle, okay? You know, I'm extremely confident, so like I literally say, like, you can take a picture of me from anywhere and I will be happy with that picture. I'll consider it a good face angle. But I do understand that even when I'm looking at pictures of myself, certain angles are more flattering than other angles. So I do get it. So my point is this: don't be afraid of pictures of yourself that are not at the best face angles, okay? You can prefer certain face angles and try to maybe get those angles. I understand that. But if you don't get those best face angles, it's totally fine. You're still going to look great. You should still have an appreciation for your own look, and you should still be good with your own self the way that you are, okay? But with that being said, now that I got that out of the way, there are essentially two things that you can do to find your best face angles. The first thing, number one, is look in the mirror at different angles. So you're going to look at yourself in the mirror at different angles. You're going to look at your face, and you're going to look at it straight on, maybe go slightly tilted down, slightly tilted up, to one side, up on that one side, down on that one side, and then to the other side, up and down. And you want to compare all those looks and see which one you like the best. You might have certain features on one side that are not present on another side that you might want to show or avoid. Like I'll tell you, I don't even know which side it's on. I have a beauty mark. I can't see because of the sunlight. I think it's here. Let me see. Yeah, it's right over here, okay? I have a beauty mark right over there. And I couldn't care less which side you take a picture of me from. But on one side, you're going to get a beauty mark. On the other side, you are not. I don't have one on the other side, right? No, I don't. So anyways, you know, you're going to get a different look depending on which side you take a picture of me from. And I'm totally fine with either one. But you might have a preference for one or the other. So obviously, you're going to take that into account. You also might have a preference for, you know, looking up or looking down. If you look up, it's going to give you a different perspective. If you look down, it's going to emphasize a little bit more on the neck over here. If you look up, it's going to stretch your neck, but it's going to emphasize a little bit of a different angle on things like your ears and your mouth and your nose and so on and so forth. So it's up to you, but use a mirror as a first guide to which angles you like more and which angles you like less. Then you're going to move on to number two. Number two is take pictures and look at them. And obviously you're going to use different angles for the pictures. So you want to take pictures and look at the pictures that you took of yourself, and obviously different angles for the picture. So take a picture straight, take a picture up, a little bit up, a little bit down, and then you're looking to the side, a little bit up, a little bit down, other side, a little bit up, a little bit down. Take a picture from this side, looking straight, take a picture from this side, looking at the camera, this side looking straight, this side looking at the camera. Just use, experiment, and see out of all of those angles, which ones you like the best. Now, I do recommend, do not have like a, oh, only this angle works for me. No. Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to the photographer. Don't do that to anyone else around you, okay? You gotta have like a top 5 angle, you know, list in terms of like, okay, these are my favorite ones, right? Maybe you prefer looking to this side, right, at the camera. So you're gonna have to angle your body so you look to that side of the camera, look to that side at, you know, towards the camera on that side. Or you're gonna have to put yourself in the position of the picture if you're in a group of people, where you're gonna be able to look to that side at the camera. And then maybe, you know, when you're looking at that side, you prefer looking straight, but if you're looking a little bit up, you're okay with it. If you're looking a little bit down, you're okay with it as well. So you then have, 3 different face angles to work with. So, you know, have like a top list. Instead of saying this is the only one I will do, have a top list of like the angles that you prefer. And that's basically it. That's how to find your best face angles for pictures, for videos, and so on and so forth. You know, just for, I guess, well, I mean, for talking to people, not so much, because like it would be a little bit odd if like you're trying to get the best face angle. So someone's over here, and instead of looking at them straight, you position your body where you're like this. If that's the way you are, that's fine. But if you're doing it on purpose just to have that angle, you know, people are going to be like, why are you doing that like that? Why don't you just stand straight and talk to me? So it's more for pictures and videos, less so for talking to people in real life. But that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.